Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Hurdlr for underwriting documents and uploads, full guide step by step clearly. To begin downloading Hurdlr for underwriting documents and uploads, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Hurdlr download. Press the enter key to initiate the search. Look for the official Hurdlr website in the search results. Click on the link to the official site to ensure you are downloading the legitimate application. Once on the website, locate the download button, usually found on the home page. Click the download button to start the downloading process. If you are using a mobile device, choose the appropriate version for your operating system, either iOS from the App Store or Android from Google Play. On your desktop, select the version that matches your operating system, such as Windows or Mac. The file will begin to download automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. For Windows users, double-click the downloaded.exe file to start the installation. For Mac users, double-click the downloaded.dmg file to open it, then drag the Hurdlr icon to your Applications folder. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, open the Hurdlr application. You may be prompted to log in or create a new account. Enter the required information to access the app. Navigate to the section for uploading underwriting documents. Use the provided options to upload your documents directly. Follow any additional on-screen instructions for document verification. Ensure all your documents are correctly uploaded before closing the application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.